title of this mini podcast is God is Not a Third Party. Let's talk about something that a lot of people get wrong. This idea that God or insight or creativity is some outside force that swoops in to save the day. That's not how it works. Whether you believe in God or not, we've been trained to think that the aha moments, those flashes of brilliance or common sense, come from somewhere out there. But the truth? They come from in here, inside you. Here's what usually happens. When we don't know something we want to know, we get frustrated. That's natural. But then we let that frustration convince us we'll never know. So what do? We look outside of ourselves for answers. We hope for some magical insight to just drop in from the sky. And let's be honest, it rarely does. Dr. Milton Erickson, the legendary psychiatrist and pioneer of what I like to call conversational hypnosis, put it perfectly. Change will lead to insight more often than insight will lead to change. Translation: if you want answers, start by making an internal shift. The first one? Embrace frustration. I get it. Frustration is uncomfortable. But it's not the enemy. In fact, it's a sign that something new is happening. Let me walk you through a quick exercise to illustrate. Try this. Put your palms together and interlace your fingers. Now check what thumb is on top, right or left. That's your default. Now switch it. Put the other thumb on top. Feel that? Little weird, right? That discomfort, that's the feeling of your brain learning something new. Frustration is just like that. It's not a stop sign. It's a signal, a signpost that you're on the edge of a breakthrough. So instead of running from that feeling, lean into it. Get curious. Stay with it. Because what you're looking for won't come from some third-party miracle. It'll come from the work you do inside you. If you're someone who prays, try this. Dear God, give me the strength to embrace the frustration of learning something new. And if you're not the praying type, just remember this. Frustration is your inner compass. Follow it. It's leading you from where you are to where you want to be. All the best, John.